Tired of boring walls, but don't want the mess of paint or the cost of wallpaper? Here's a fast washi tape hack to transform your space. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to use washi tape for a stylish wall makeover that's cheap, easy, and damage-free. Definition: washi tape wall transformation means decorating your wall with colorful taping patterns, shapes, or borders to refresh the look instantly. Why importance? Walls take up the most space in a room. A little washi tape makes a big impact, and it's renter-friendly and budget-friendly. Step-by-step practical guide. 1. Clean the wall with a cloth. 2. Pick your favorite tape colors and patterns. 3. Start taping shapes or lines from one corner. 4. Press firmly and cut neat edges. 5. Step back and enjoy the makeover. Tools explained. You only need washi tape, scissors, a ruler, and a cloth. Workflow: plan your design, mark lightly with pencil if needed, then apply tape smoothly to avoid bubbles. Quick tips: mix bold and simple colors, test a small area first, and use geometric designs for a modern look. Cost comparison: for under $10, you can style a wall that would cost hundreds with paint or wallpaper. Don't settle for dull walls. Try this washi tape hack today and give your room an instant glow up. Like, share, and subscribe for more quick DIY tricks.